video I'm going to be using this MAC garden branch shredder. First time I've ever used it, so I'm going to be putting branches through it. So obviously the branches will go through there, then if they stick up this will just push it down, and then it will catch it in this black bag here down below, and then at the back you've got like that will turn it on here, this one here, and it's got to be plugged into mains as well, and then that will turn on. So then you do that and it will turn on, something like that anyway. It's off at the moment, and then here at the back here's the warnings and that. So yeah, looking forward to using this. I'll give it a go. Gloves on, let's get down to business. Keep your face back. And at first, when we couldn't get it to work, I was like, oh no, is it going to be one of them funny moments with it? But then in the end it just turned on, so I was like, phew, because I would have had to have got my money back on all that. But no, it was all it was good. Once you get the hang of it, you get used to it. Well, there you have it. That was quite easy, really, when you get the knack of it. Yeah, it's pretty fascinating. I was a bit nervous at first when it was going through. I was like, oh, is this, you know, but when you get the knack of it, you're fine. So, yeah, I really enjoyed it. Do be sure to like and subscribe for some more future content on my channel. Thank you for watching, and the end screens will pop up any second now at the end. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.